Many users encounter the message, "Page isn't available right now." But don't worry. Let's explore what this means. First, check if the account is private. Sometimes, it's just a visibility issue. Next, verify internet connectivity. A weak signal could lead to problems accessing profiles. Sometimes, accounts are temporarily disabled or removed. Check with the account holder. Next, clear the app cache. This can often resolve lingering glitches. Finally, make sure your app is up to date. An outdated version might cause display issues. If the problem persists, try logging out and back in. This can refresh your connection. You can also uninstall and then reinstall the app. Sometimes, a clean installation is the best fix. Lastly, if all else fails, contact Instagram support for assistance. With these steps, you should be back to enjoying Instagram without any hassle. Remember, tech issues happen to everyone. You're not alone. Stay connected, share moments, and never let a small issue hold you back.